we got here. Got the Velossa Tech big ram mouth, big mouth ram intake. So excited to get this. I think it'll look great. Let's get started. All right, that was a struggle. Got the bumper off finally. All right, got the big mouth on. Time to fucking put this thing back on. Here you go. Piggyback tune, Kona N intake. Carbon fiber heat shield for the intake filter, big mouth snorkel intake, catch can, and down there we have the blow off valve. Boom. Alright, took forever, last clip in. There it is. Cold over here. Hey, what's up everyone? So just installed the Velossa Tech big mouth ram intake, the Kona N. Install was pretty smooth for the most part. Did have some issues getting the bumper off the car. Again, this is the first time I've ever removed the bumper from the Kona and might have a few extra push clips here and there. So it might have been a little tight or seized on there just a little bit. And so it's probably a little looser now. The actual install of the intake itself is pretty straightforward. Just kind of mounts on the OEM spot using OEM screws. So that was pretty cool. The quality itself is really well made. A few things I want to address. One, the radiator shroud. Research that I've seen online is people opting to remove it completely. Everyone's 50-50. I was planning or thinking about cutting into the shroud, but again, I figured that if I wanted to remove it and return things back to stock, I didn't want to have a hole in the shroud or buy a new one. Let me know what you think. Should I have cut into the shroud, or you think removing it's fine? The product looks amazing. I went with white to kind of sort of accent the car. I wanted something that kind of stood out, but didn't want to do red because the car is so red already. So I figured that made sense. Let me know what you think in the comments below of this kit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.